to yet another episode of the News on Map series. My name is Pooja Divedi. Let's begin with the practice question of the last segment. Consider the following statements. Tokyo, the capital of Japan, lies in the Hokkaido island of Japan. Japan lies partially south of the Tropic of Cancer, so we have to select which one of the statements, which or both of the statements are correct or not. So let us see. Tokyo, which is the capital of Japan, is in this particular island, and this island is not the Hokkaido island but Honshu island. Okay, Hokkaido is the northernmost island, then comes Hokkaido, and after that we have Shikoku and Kyushu. Okay, so first statement is of course not correct. Then comes second one, Japan lies partially south of the Tropic of Cancer. Now here is Japan, but it does not lie partially beyond Tropic of Cancer. Okay, so it is completely north of the Tropic of Cancer without any part lying anywhere else. So first one of course was not correct, second one also not correct, neither 1 nor 2 is the correct answer, option D. Moving ahead, let us talk about the next question. Turkey's most devastating earthquake since 1939 has raised big questions about whether such large-scale tragedy could have been avoided. So this is the one of the deadliest earthquakes the earth has ever recorded. More than at least 20,000 people have found to be dead, and very disturbing pictures are coming from Turkey and Syria both. So consider the following statement. Gaziantep lies in the Anatolian Plateau. Lake Van lies in the Eastern Taurus Mountain. How many are correct? So Eastern Taurus Mountain, we have Lake Van. Okay, then we have Gaziantep not lying in the Anatolian Plateau, because Anatolian Plateau is over here. So Gaziantep is the region from where, few kilometers from here only, the first quake occurred. First is not correct, second is correct. B only is the correct answer. Consider the following statements. The Bitlis-Zagros Fold and Thrust Belt lies to the south of the Dead Sea Transform. The Samos Island lies in the Ionian Sea. So Samos Island was also related to our question how. Because Samos Island was the region where earthquake shattered that place back in 2020. So that is why it all was interrelated. So BZ Fold and Thrust Belt lies to the south of the Dead Sea Transform. No, it is lying to the northeast of Dead Sea Transform. Okay, so first is correct. Second, the Samos Island lies in the Ionian Sea. Let us see this one. Samos Island is not in the Ionian Sea, but it lies between Aegean Sea and the Sea of Crete. Ionian Sea is lying over there. So that means the second statement is not correct. First is also not correct. That makes neither 1 nor 2 to be the correct answer. Moving on to the next set of questions. This question is related to Wagner mercenaries chief admits Russia facing Bakhmut resistance. So if one draws a straight line from Bakhmut to Melitopol, then which among the following will lie to the west of the drawn line? Luhansk, Donetsk, Mariupol and Kharkiv. Okay, so let us see that what happens. Luhansk, Donetsk, Mariupol, Kharkiv. So we have to draw the line from Bakhmut to Melitopol. Okay, no, Bakhmut to Melitopol. So which one lies to the west of it? Kharkiv is lying to the west of it, while Donetsk, Luhansk and Mariupol are lying to the east of the line. That means which one is correct? Kharkiv. Option D is correct. Next is Cameroon restricts Equatorial Guinea border activity over fewer deaths. So consider the following statements. Cameroon lies to the south of the equator. Cameroon shares a border with Gabon and Niger, but not Equatorial Guinea, and it has a coastline. Cameroon only. So how many statements given above is or are correct? 1 statement only, 2 statements only, all 3 statements, none of the statements. So Cameroon lies to the south of the equator. No, it is lying to the north of the equator. This is Cameroon and here is equator. Then Cameroon shares a border with Gabon and Niger, but not Equatorial Guinea. Let us see that. It is sharing its border with Gabon, okay, and you can see Nigeria is not. Nigeria is there, but Niger is not there. So second statement is correct. Okay. Then we have the third statement. It has a coastline. That is completely true. It does have a coastline. Okay. Here. So you can see Cameroon shares a border with Nigeria, Chad, African Republic, Congo, Gabon and Equatorial Guinea. Okay. Moving ahead, first of all, we have to solve this, right? Third is correct, second is not correct, and first is not correct. One statement only is the correct answer. Alright, moving ahead to the next set of questions. Nicaragua frees 222 political prisoners, sends them to US. Okay, sends them to US. If one has to travel from Nicaragua to Mexico, what is the minimum number of interstate borders they will cross during their journey? 2, 3, 4, 5. Nicaragua to Mexico. Here is Nicaragua. Minimum number of borders we have to cross. So one international border, then second one here, no need to go to El Salvador. Then we go directly to Mexico. So how many borders? 1, 2 and 3. Minimum numbers. Okay. So that makes 3 to be the correct answer. Option B is correct here. Russian missile crosses Moldova as its government collapses. We have to consider the pairs. We have to match the country to the capital. Moldova. Then Moldova has the capital Chisinau, Romania, Prague, and North Macedonia, Skopje. So let us see. Moldova's capital is what? It is Chisinau. That is correct. Then we have another one, Romania, right? Romania's capital is Bucharest. Okay, and not Prague. Then we have North Macedonia with its capital at Skopje. Okay, so first pair is correct, second is not at all correct, third is correct. Only 2 pairs are correct. So B is the correct answer. Next is with respect to the question, the news defense officials, the spy balloon that we spotted over Alaska in the USA, it was shot down by Raptor, and that is why this question is going to be asked. Okay, the spy balloon we have covered in one of our in-depth series. The Bristol Bay lies in the Chukchi Sea, Bering Sea, Asian Sea, Alboran Sea. Okay, so let us see where is Bristol Bay. Here is the Aleutian Island. Through here only it was said that the sighting of spy balloon was done, and here is the Bristol Bay. It is lying in the Bering Sea. Okay, so that is totally correct. B, option B is totally correct. Then with respect to North America, consider the following statements. The Canadian Shield is restricted only to Canada. The Yellowstone National Park is a part of the Rocky Mountain. Greenland is the part of the continent of North America. Actually, Greenland, yes, if we have to see it from that perspective, it is a part by continent of North America. So that is completely correct. Canadian Shield is not only restricted to Canada but also the USA. And Yellowstone National Park is a part of the Rocky Mountain. Okay, so first statement is not correct, third is correct, and second is correct. 2 statements are correct. 2 statement only is the correct answer. Moving ahead to the next set of questions, let us move ahead. Now to boost, this is all India specific. To boost regional trade hub ambitions, the Indian government has approved Bangladesh's transshipment cargo to be handled at the Delhi Air Cargo Complex. Consider the following statements with respect to Northeast India. Meghalaya shares its borders with only one northeastern state of India. Only 4 northeastern states share its border with Bangladesh. So Meghalaya, let us see, shares its border with only one northeastern state. This is Meghalaya, and yes, if we have to go by northeastern states, it is sharing its border only with Assam. So first statement is not correct. Only 4 northeastern states share its border with Bangladesh. Only 4 northeastern states share its border with Bangladesh. So one is Assam, second is Meghalaya, then we have Tripura, and then we have Mizoram. These 4 states are having, northeast states are having their border with Bangladesh. So second is also correct. Which one is not correct? Both are correct, so neither 1 nor 2 will be the correct answer. Moving ahead to the next set of questions, just 6 months after being grievously injured by a young religious fanatic, Salman Rushdie is back with its latest novel, Victory City. And the book is a fictionalized telling of the story of Vijayanagara kingdom narrated by a sorceress and poet named Pampa Kampana, who over more than 2 centuries witnessed Vijayanagara's many victories as well as defeats. So which of the following rivers were once a part of the Vijayanagar kingdom? Kaveri, Tungabhadra, Mahanadi, Krishna. Let us see the map for that. Here is the Vijayanagar Empire. Of course, Tungabhadra was a part of it, so was Krishna, and a tad bit the delta of Godavari, and here is Kaveri. But Mahanadi was never a part of the kingdom of Vijayanagar. So that makes third to be out of the picture. 1, 2 and 4 is the correct answer, that is option D. Okay. Moving ahead to the next set of questions from north to south. Arrange the following UNESCO sites in the correct order. Mahabalipuram, Chola temples, Hampi, Pattadakal. So let us see the map. So first, let's see the places: Hampi, Pattadakal, Mahabalipuram, and Chola temple. So if we have to go from north to south, first we have Pattadakal, then we have Hampi, then we have Mahabalipuram, and then Chola temple. Okay. First Pattadakal, second Hampi 4-3, then Mahabalipuram, and finally Chola temples 4-3-1-2. C here is going to be the correct answer. Moving on to the next segment. Stone pelted at Secunderabad, Visakhapatnam, Vande Bharat train. This is such a sad news to be read everywhere. From east to west, what is the correct order of the cities in Andhra Pradesh? Amravati, Visakhapatnam, Kurnool, Kurnool, Amravati, Visakhapatnam, Visakhapatnam, Amravati, Kurnool, and then Kurnool, Visakhapatnam, Amravati. So from east to west we have to go. Okay, so first we have Visakhapatnam, Amravati, and then Kurnool. These all are a part of the three state capital plan of Andhra Pradesh. Visakhapatnam, Amravati, Kurnool. Okay, so option C here is going to be the correct answer, as we had to go from east to west. Then practice question for your next segment. Which of the following states of India share border with Myanmar? Nagaland, Manipur, Arunachal Pradesh. So we have to select any one of them. Okay, that's it. Thank you so much for watching and stay updated.